We work on our qualities. We need to have a feeling towards others, a positive feeling. Sometimes people do negative things to you, really, really nasty things. And I want to take a moment to address that today. People do nasty things. How should you process that? Number one, protect yourself from that. So you don't need to keep on, being in the company of those who are really causing harm to you. If you can help them and you're a mentor or you're a teacher or you're a person who's trained to help others or you think you can, by all means, keep on interacting and help them to come out of it. That is level one. That is the top of all. If you are and you can. To a degree, now I can. I don't mind interacting with haters. I really don't mind. But there's a point, because we're human beings, it starts affecting us. And it bothers you. And it starts affecting your health. At that juncture, you need to know, together with seeking the protection of Allah from this type of behavior and these type of people, you need to step back. Because a believer is not bitten from the same direction twice.